NITTO KOHKI's Quick Connect Couplings, CUPLA, for quick and easy fluid connection and disconnection. The experiences and achievements that NITTO KOHKI has acquired since its founding are utilized everywhere in CUPLA. No tools are required. Fluid can be connected and disconnected with simple operation. In addition, it prevents leakage of fluid when separated, ensuring safety and reliability. For industries that require reliability, such as semiconductor production sites. For industries that handle fluids in harsh environment, such as construction sites. For industries that require quick connection and disconnection, such as automobile factories. Under such environments, CUPLA is active in various industries. We cover a wide range of needs with a lineup of more than 25,000 types, suitable for various pressures, temperatures, and fluids. We're providing environmentally friendly products by pursuing higher quality from development to production.